If f is a function satisfying f of x plus y equals f of x times f of y for all x and y belonging to natural numbers, and it is given that f of 1 is equal to 3, and f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 and so on up to f of n is equal to 120, find the value of n. Here we are given with f of x plus y equals f of x times f of y, and we are also given with value of f of 1, which is 3. If we replace x and y with 1, because x and y belong to natural numbers, so if I start with natural number 1, we get f of 1 plus 1, which is 2, is equal to f of 1 times f of 1. So that is 3 times 3, or 3 square. Similarly, f of 3, which can be written as f of 1 plus 2. So if you take x as 1, y as 2, we get f of 1 times f of 2. So here f of 1 is 3 times f of 2 is 3 square. So you get 3 cubed, right? Similarly, we can find f of 4, that it will be equal to 3 raised to the power 4. And similarly, we can find the value of f of n, that f of n will be equal to 3 raised to the power n. Now it is given that the sum of all these terms is equal to 120. So f of 1 plus f of 2 and so on up to plus f of n is equal to 120. F of 1 is 3, f of 2 is 3 square, and so on up to 3 raised to the power n, and that is given equal to 120. So this is a GP in which the first term a is 3, the common ratio is 3 square over 3, which is again 3, and number of terms is n. So the sum of these terms is equal to a times r, which is 3 raised to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1, so 3 minus 1, and that is equal to 120. And if we simplify this, we get 3 over 2 times 3 raised to the power n minus 1 is equal to 120. And we can simplify this further. 3 raised to the power n minus 1 is equal to 120 times 2 over 3. And if I simplify this, we can cancel these out. So you have 40, that is 80. And that means 3 raised to the power n is equal to 81. And that's 3 raised to the power n is equal to 3 raised to the power 4, or n is equal to 4.